You probably don't think too much about your plumbing until something goes wrong. Old and outdated plumbing needs expert attention. Enter Advantage Plumbing. Advantage Plumbing, founded in 1991, is not your typical Central Florida contractor. Over the years, the plumbing industry has evolved. Technology has improved, and many homeowners are saving money.
I grew up in the plumbing industry, and I have seen technology improve almost everything that plumbing has to offer. Water heaters, water piping, pot fillers, energy and water efficient toilets and fixtures are just a few things that come to mind thinking about technology involved in plumbing. My wife Meredith and I run the company today. We took the company over from my father. We actually have 5 of the original Advantage Plumbing Inc. team members still employed with us today, which speaks volumes for my father's ability to reach people and be well respected and very well liked by those that he worked for and those that work for him.
One of the ways Advantage Plumbing keeps their promises is by helping homeowners problem solve on their own.
I came over with him to my house and I said, Ari, we're doing a complete remodel. Would you do all new underground plumbing? And he said to me, yes, I definitely do underground plumbing because you have a 50-year-old home. There could be any sorts of things that could happen right down the road. So he gave me the option of doing the work myself, which he calls picking and plucking, or he would hire his crew to do it. I said, let me try it. So over a 48-hour weekend, starting Friday after work, I started cutting almost 700 linear feet of 4 to 6 inch cement with a circular saw. Basically got 2 pieces out, had to call Ari. He came back in with his crew, and his crew with real machines and real power got it done in 6 hours.
The secret behind 30-year clients is giving people an honest, transparent approach that they can relate to. Instead of going out and making a life's killing on replacing a flapper, we would simply rather show you how to replace your own flapper, so you might call us back when you're in a bigger pinch than something as easy as that.
So it's really something special when you find somebody that you can trust.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and his guys are so knowledgeable, coming in and just telling us, hey, you need to do this, and then we'll come do this. And like literally you can call them anytime.
We do believe that sharing insider tips and tricks of the trades with our clients is one of the things that separate us from other contractors. We also feel that there's no better way to give an honest, transparent approach by teaching people things that they can do to save a buck and to feel that sense of accomplishment as well. We would rather sacrifice a small job in order to build a relationship.
One of the latest technologies Graham and Travis are enjoying is their new tankless water heater. You heard it right, tankless.
Water heaters are one of the best examples in where technology shines brightest in plumbing today. Costly, huge, ugly, bulky storage tanks are no longer necessary. Tank-type heaters are energy and water wasters. Fact of the matter is you will never use most of the water in your storage unit that you are paying for. The tankless unit, however, heats water when it's necessary, not continuously. Water flows through sensors, which turn on an internal computer. Travis and Graham can now enjoy all of the hot water they want on demand while saving time and cutting their energy costs upwards of 60%. The NIMI residence is also equipped with Uponor water piping, which is the most up-to-date, technologically advanced piping system there is. This piping system will last forever.
Our youngest was a month old when we moved into my parents' house, so he's never lived in his own home.
Looks like we'll be able to move in 2 to 4 weeks. I'll be able to do the small traits that are still left while we're living here, but that way the family can be here and partake in it. And anytime I need help, I can just call Ari and his team, and they can come out and help.
We absolutely believe that providing an honest professional service at a competitive rate is the only way to do business. We want to build relationships based on key factors of honesty, integrity, transparency, and respect. And no better way to do that than to give customers what they expect and teach them a little bit of something as we go along as well.
For more information about Advantage Plumbing, visit api-orlando.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.